For Cybersecurity Awareness Month 2019, we at Sygenta delivered face-to-face awareness-raising sessions to over 5,000 people in the UK, Europe and the USA. This year, of course, things are different and we're supporting many of our clients with virtual awareness sessions. So, I want to share some top tips for awareness raising remotely in time for October. Number 1, make it personal. 2020 has brought people and tech even closer together, with many of us doing pub quizzes, birthday parties, and even weddings via our computers. So use Cybersecurity Awareness Month to help your colleagues with their personal and family cybersecurity, which has so many benefits for workplace security too, especially at the moment. My second tip is to bring security to life. Make online sessions as interactive, engaging and interesting as possible. We find live hacking demos work really well for this. My third and final tip relates to the fact that many people are of course still working from home, and we know this can have an impact on cybersecurity culture. I was delighted to see in the Club CISO report this year that over half of the CISOs had cybersecurity champion networks in place as a means of building a more positive culture. A champions program is more important now than ever, and if you don't have one, there are lots of things you can do to build them remotely. I'm giving this advice because I know it works. We at Sygenta have helped many clients with all of the above and much more when it comes to their cybersecurity awareness and culture. We've had outstanding testimonials on our awareness raising from clients including Dyson, Hargreaves Lansdown and Bupa. If you'd like to find out how we can support you in Cybersecurity Awareness Month or any time of the year, subscribe to our mailing list or just leave us a comment on social media and we'll send you a brochure of our virtual awareness sessions and more information on our services. And finally, keep an eye on our social media channels in October, where we'll be sharing lots of freely available cybersecurity awareness guides to help you and your colleagues.